So today I want to do one thing. I want to make a video where I'm going to compare my voice to in the future. So basically I'm going to record a poem, me speaking a poem now, and I'm going to compare it to my voice in the future. Stop all the clocks, cut off the telephone.
Prevent the dog from barking with a juicy bone.
Silence the pianos and with muffled drum.
Bring out the coffin, let the mourners come.
Let airplanes cycle, moaning overhead.
Scribbling in the sky, the message he is dead.
Put crepe boughs round the white necks of public doves.
Let the traffic policemen wear black cotton gloves.
He was my north, my south, my east and west.
My working week and my Sunday rest.
My noon, my midnight, my talk, my song.
I thought that love would last forever. I was wrong.
The stars are not wanted now, put out every one.
Pack up the moon and dismantle the sun.
Pour away the ocean and sweep up the wood.
For nothing can ever come to any good. And that is Funeral Blues by W.H. Auden. Let's hope that it sounds a lot more feminine. 19 months later, which is a year and 7 months. So, all my little pandas, thank you so much for sticking with me through this amazing journey. You're all amazing, beautiful, cute, adorable little pandas, and I hope you stick with me for the bigger events that are going to be coming up in the future. It's never ending, life's a roller coaster. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, all my little pandas. Have a good day. Choo.